Another key thing that pushes itself to the forefront when giving consideration to ownership versus leasing of a truck is going to be the fuel efficiency. If you're going the lease path, you're generally going to be in a truck that is 3 years old or newer, which is going to put you using the newest technology for the engine. And as technology is continuing to accelerate, we should see that fuel efficiency continue to outpace the trucks that are going to be in an older fleet. And it doesn't even have to necessarily that you're mismanaging an owned fleet. It's the simple fact that generally a contractor is going to finance it over 5 or 6 years. And so by nature, if you've financed it over 6 years, at the end of that term, you've got a truck that has run 2-3 year life cycles by comparison with a 3-year term on in a leasing situation. So you've missed out on 3 years and at the end 6 years of efficiency improvements on these trucks. That flows through directly to the bottom line. And miles per gallon, when you're running as many miles as a FedEx contractor is every day, matters. Even tenths of miles per gallon matter at that level of volume. And so it's a significant factor to consider when you are looking at what path you're going to choose.